What's up, guys? Today's video is a little different than usual. We're actually driving, going camping! Yay!
Camping.
Where are we going again? I think we're going somewhere in Death Valley, correct?
Yeah, I think it's somewhere off Mesquite Canyon.
It's been raining for the last 2 weeks in Southern California, so we'll see how rough the terrain is gonna be. Oh, I forgot to introduce you.
Hi, I'm
Hi,
Alex.
This is Alexandra. So now we're actually going to meet up a couple of my buddies here that were going to go with us this weekend. But first, some boba. Later, it's 4:40 on a Friday, and we're finally heading out. I'm just not looking forward to this traffic at all, but it is what it is, you know. Yeah, it is. So we're gonna start heading out there to somewhere off the 14th. Should be about, how long is it?
I think 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. Okay, so we will see.
We shall see.
Alright, it is almost 10 o'clock. It was so much traffic.
A lot of traffic.
And so we just pulled off the pavement and we're going over some dirt roads right now, heading towards the campsite where we're going to camp. Tomorrow we're going to go do some wheeling, so we'll see how that goes. This is our tent. It's windy as fuck tonight.
Super windy.
So windy.
I'm wrapped up in my sleeping bag.
But we have cookies. Yay, cookies.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
We
morning.
survived the night.
Yeah, man, I just watched the fucking Jeep.
So we survived the night. It was freezing.
It was so cold.
Well, I think actually it was about like
How we get
maybe low 40s, high 30s last night, but the wind,
So much wind. My feet were cold the whole time. So we're on this trail. I don't even know where we are, to be honest. But we're heading into something called Ridgecrest from the campsite. And that's where these guys are going to fill up. Fucking second. What does it look like?
So this is his regular spam musubi. Look at how beautiful this is.
Okay.
Made by Andrew Modena.
Right.
And this is how she made some keto Andrew.
Let's cook it. Dinner. Okay, so that was the second night of camping, and us being very smart, or at least I think we are, ended up camping out inside the car.
Yeah, we ended up camping out inside the car because the night prior it was just way too cold for the tent.
Yeah, couldn't do it.
Couldn't do it again.
That's it, guys. That's it for the weekend. Right now we're back on pavement, heading home again. About a 2.5 hour drive from where's this, Ridge or something?
We're at Ridgecrest, so maybe like 2.5, 3 hours.
2.5, 3 hours back to LA. So hope you guys had fun watching this video. All the places that we went are going to be listed down below in the description. So let me know if there's any other interesting places that you guys are thinking about going to, or recommend that we go and film a little bit. But don't forget to like and subscribe.